3, 2, 1, start. This writ petition has been filed as a public interest litigation under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, questioning the closure of the Anganwadi centers across the country. The petitioner states that through Anganwadi centers, supplementary nutrition to pregnant women, adolescent girls and children up to the age of 6 years were being provided, which fulfilled the state objective of holistic development of children under 6 years and to provide food and nutrition to the beneficiaries. In the writ petition, the petitioner impleaded the Union of India, all states and union territories, and has prayed for following reliefs: for a writ of mandamus directing the Union of India and all states and union territories to forthwith reopen all the Anganwadi centers in the country and provide Anganwadi services as before the lockdown and in accordance with sections 4 to 7 of the National Food Security Act 2013. 4. Writ of mandamus directing the Union of India and all states and union territories to provide hot cooked meals, take home rations in consonance to the provisions of the National Food Security Act 2013 as well as the supplementary nutrition under the Integrated Child Development Services Scheme rules 2020 as well as make provisions for additional supplementary nutrition provisions to all beneficiaries of the ICDS scheme in the form of a comprehensive package of cooked food, eggs, fruits, dry rations including cereals, pulses, etc. For a writ of mandamus directing the Union of India and all states and union territories to conduct growth monitoring of children to document growth in the wake of the after effects of the pandemic, more particularly malnourishment among children and anemia in girl children, and initiate corrective steps forthwith. For an order in terms of recommendations 1 to 6 of the Right to Food campaign in its representation dated 6/8/2020 to the Union of India and at Annexure P8 hereto and as set out in paragraph number 37 above. For any other order deemed fit and proper under the circumstances of the present case. The Constitution of India, with the object of securing to all its citizens social and economic justice, contains various articles which empower making a special law in favor of women and children. Article 47 of the Constitution, which forms the part of directive principles of the state policy, provides that the state shall regard the raising of the level of nutrition and the standard of living of its people and the improvement of public health as among its primary duties. The Government of India, with the above objective, launched a welfare scheme, namely Integrated Child Development Services Scheme, in the year 1975. The scheme was designed as an early childhood development program aimed to address health, nutrition and development needs of young children who are future of India and pregnant and nourishing mothers. The scheme was designed to promote holistic development of children under 6 years of age. This court, in a public interest litigation in writ petition number 196 of 2001, People's Union for Civil Liberties versus Union of India and others, had issued various directions for protection of right to food of the poor and the underprivileged sections, including children and women. This court has been proactively directing the central government and the state governments to effectively implement the Integrated Child Development Services Scheme. Various directions were issued by this court from time to time. Stop.